Hey guys, Kristen Strange here at Beverly Hills Hair Group. They have a state-of-the-art hair restoration technology, and I'm here to learn all about it. So tell me a little bit about the hair restoration process that you guys do here.
We have a machine called Neograft that we use, and it avoids having to undergo surgery like you used to. Now there's no limitation. What we do is we use tiny little needles and we numb your head. We do it all in the same day, and we're able to use something called follicular unit extraction, or the Neograft machine, to take hair from a larger donor area and transplant those to the top of the head.
Is there any other big differences from what we used to see, the old versions, that this new and updated version that you guys use has?
The difference now is you can do more hair follicles, and you can do them in a much more refined and natural way. So you're not just building up density as a patch back here and then you have this weird fake looking front. The entire hairline from front to back now is staggered and is matched just in the same exact direction as your natural hairs are.
So is there, other than hair and eyebrows, is there any other places that people maybe want transplants and now this has made it possible?
So we have tons of women who come in who are looking for fuller eyebrows, and we do eyebrow transplantation, and that's easily done by just cutting a little area over here, not of skin actually, just cutting the hair short. You can hide it with your hair, can't see it, and we end up transplanting it into the eyebrows. And we've had other patients who are Middle Eastern descent, and they actually want fuller beards or to fill in patches where they have scars or where they're missing it to kind of look more like their family members, and we do that as well.
For more information on this technology or to schedule a consultation, you can visit them at beverlyhillshairgroup.com, and also more information is available at westsidetoday.com.